when a ship sees the flash, they know by the frequency of the flash, the color of the flash, and the duration of the flash, whereabouts they are in relation to the land. Normally, a lighthouse is set up where you have a flash, like a 1 second flash, and then 4 seconds of darkness. Mm-hmm. So you would get a flash and then nothing, then a flash and then nothing. Ours is opposite. Our light goes on for 4 seconds and it goes off for 1 second.
Oh, okay.
So it's actually on for most of the time so that boats can use it to navigate through the channel.
Right, that makes sense. And then, so how would a boat operator, how do they know what all these different things mean? Is there like the Lighthouse signal Bible that everybody has, or like, how does that work?
There is. There's a book that the government puts out that lists all the lighthouses, all the buoys, all the markers, everything that they call aid to navigations, and it lists everything from what the buoy is, what the marker is, what their lights do, and how you need to navigate around them. And then on top of that, navigators buy giant maps, charts. Mm-hmm. And on each of these charts, it will show you all the different lights and what their properties are and what it means for each of the lights and how you would use them to navigate.
Oh. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you. You said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very